Subscribe. Oh, is it even recording?
Subscribe. It is now.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
After that, or?
Yeah.
Subscribe or die.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hello! We are Trivium Knightmares, FDC Group 18625. In this video, we begin construction of our linear sliders for our intake system after weeks of deliberation and CAD. We also took inventory for future reference, as well as for ease of CAD later on down the road. If you do not understand what FDC is, or you would like to understand our goals and objectives better this season, then please go to the first link in the description or the link on screen now. We have worked very hard over the summer, like this young man right here. Huh. Interesting. And we put much more effort into our team this year compared to last year. We hope you enjoy this first episode of the Adventures of Wow Season 2.
Alright, hello camera. I'm gonna sit here and explain things. Hello! We are Nightmares, or everyone who's here right now. Let's see if I can get everyone on camera. Not everyone's here. Today's plan is some of us have to go do PSAT testing, or practice, so we are going to currently be designing our robot. The current design involves a linear lift. It's going to be kind of like a forklift.
Oh, I got an idea.
So throughout the time, you should be able to see us progress these ideas and be
Just use all raw
I've
footage.
not seen her.
None of this is going to be
I've seen
edited
her
out.
today, but
You
she
edit nothing out.
I'm gonna explain.
I could go look for
Like
her.
this? That's going in.
Okay, so for our robot, it might be a bit confusing, but hopefully it will make sense once we like build it and order the parts and show CAD or whatever, or whatnot. So our goal is to kind of have almost a forklift design, because this year is different from last. So we had to almost completely redesign our robot. One of the main things that we have to do is pick up blocks on the ground, lift them up, and then place them on like a wobble, target. What is it called? Shipping, like shipping hubs. Yeah, they can like tip either way, which can give you certain points. And if it touches the ground, you get less points. And for some of them, right? Okay. So what our goal is to try to design a system that could like have a claw that lowers down, picks it up, and lifts it back up. So that's what these linear slides are for. Our goal is to have motors right here. Actually, they're going to be mounted right here, and fishing line going up and over, so that when this motor spools up, it will tighten the fishing wire and lift this side up. And then we can mirror it on this side, and then get linear motion up.
You guys know the team shipping hub thing that you have to deliver stuff on?
Yeah.
And you know how that if you put the team shipping element on the very top, then you get more points for that.
Yep.
The problem is
The very top of the shipping element, where you need to put your custom shipping hub. That's 22 inches up, and a robot can only be 18 inches tall, so we have to extend these lines up.
is to have a linear slide, right? And so how I plan to do that is I plan to have something like this, and this would be fastened to something here. So there's supposed to be a nut here, but the problem is the nut doesn't fit, and oops. Then we would have the pull with the actual thing, the fishing line that would go up and then down through it like they taught us, and then there'd be a lock on each bottom, which is this thing. And then it should work just fine after that, because it wouldn't be able to go up past, but it would still be moved based off the motor that we're gonna build right here.
What if I just start swearing into the camera?
Oh, good job saying it.
It doesn't matter. What are they gonna do? Get my laptop, rob it from me? If they do, good job.
Okay, camera, I'm gonna take you on a little bit of an adventure because it's kind of getting a bit stale. We kind of wanted that claw to reach down and pull up, so we were actually just gonna have one channel here and then have the actual claw attached here to be able to be lifted up. However, we realized that we actually needed to go higher, so we needed to add a second channel that could go even farther up. So it's gonna be what are this called? It's called linear sliders. Like, what's the actual term for
Linear
it?
slides.
So here you can see he's building it. He's goated, actually
oh God,
goated.
wait, no, I can't do that.
And he realizes that it doesn't work. We're gonna talk about that later. Here is our CAD model. So what you do in robotics, this is called CAD. This is computer aided design. I'm explaining it, okay? I'm explaining it.
I was like, I'm not that dumb, okay?
So here you see this is called CAD. This is computer aided design. You can see me in the reflection of the thing. So this basically helps us. Stop editing the CAD while I'm showing it off. This is CAD. It helps us design a robot. Why'd you show all the matings?
Isn't mating the best part? This is why I'm here. I make it fun.
So this is CAD, computer aided design. You basically make a 3D model of the robot before you build it to determine the parts.
Jacob, enough.
As well as any problems that might arise. So here you can see what we have, and this is what we're gonna have. So here you can see he's currently live editing it. Wow.
Yes.
Oh my incredible. I'm hoping that the Lord will say something funny because it's kind of stale right now, not gonna lie. It fell down.
Jacob!
A man has fallen into the river in Lego City.
A man has fallen.
He lives. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so trying to have one of these channels be able to go up and down freely while still not going like this direction because we want it to only go up and down. The other motion of our claw is going to be done by these bad boys. So we're actually getting new wheels. Because this year there's a part on the field they have to go over in order to like get the blocks that we want to lift up with these, and these mechanism wheels or mechanum wheels, however you want to say them, will probably get stuck.
There's a red fidget spinner.
$5? It's out of stock. No.
I might get that.
No. Nope.
Go exploit the child for content. Hey, Mr. Graham, are we allowed to exploit your child for content?
Explain.
Exploit.
Child! That was probably an extra 10 views right there.
If you make Ewok sounds, she might smile.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Gang gang!
The monetization.
So yeah, this is not gonna be footage.
I didn't mean outro that way. I meant like cut off.
Alright, I got you.
You gotta eat the
Lord is doing right now.
Why does it smell like Cheerios over here?
I don't know.
You smell like Cheerios.
I do.
You smell so much like
He
Cheerios.
just goes like guilty. He opens his backpack. It's like
No.
a full box of
Guilty
He
as
just pulls a
charged.
bunch of Cheerios out of his pockets.
Alright, hello everyone, we're back. I'm gonna put you up here. I'll make sure you guys can see things. Alright, hello.
So, you like Mario?
We're back from the time lapse.
Like I said, that's
Not much has happened except that Alex used his massive brain and figured out how to get it to work. See this thing?
Some of the modern stuff, like I would take it there, but like
It go up
it's not that it doesn't fit.
and it go down. See it again? It go up and it go down. Let's go.
Let's get a little closer look at it.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Casablanca.
Oh my gosh, I love some enchiladas. I love empanadas. I love tortilla chips and salsa. I love pico de gallo. I love
saying that, like-
asadas.
Burrito.
Quesadilla.
I love guacamole. Chimichangas. Jackson?
Yes, I am.
Now you're a scapegoat.
We've just gotta watch him really
Owie.
intensely.
I did it.
Let's go! Yo!
Golf clap.
I forgot we have stickers.
Because I'm waiting for you to be behind them.
Wow, it's spelt wrong.
Good luck.
What was the?
Uh-oh.
This
That was cute.
is spelt wrong. Right,
No.
editor, which is me, fix
Ow.
the post right there. Epic.
Watch it drop.
Nice job, Alex.
So,
Alex, your mind is huge.
I didn't even cat this.
we
I
got an
catted something
issue.
completely
Guys,
different.
we got-
Okay, so camera, now that we have had these built, normally we would CAD and then build them. However, today, because we're quirky like that, we built them first, and then we're now CADing them back there. Probably by the end of this video, I'll probably show the CAD and like the progression of it. Okay, so we actually changed. So here's our CAD. Wow.
So here is our CAD. As stated before, CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. Our CAD is used to detect any problems and see any extra parts we will need for the robot before we actually build it. For example, we saw that our wheels are too small on our physical robot, so we ordered new ones. That being said, here's Alex finishing the linear slides.
Okay, so Alex, tell us how it works.
So basically, right here we're gonna have a lock, and also right here we're also gonna have a lock. There's two.
Can you
locks.
explain what this lock is?
The reason for the locks is in order that
Yeah.
normally this would go up and it would just keep going up,
Yeah,
or it
yeah.
would keep going down, whatever,
Yeah,
something
yeah.
like that. The locks keep it from going too far up, and it also keeps it from going all the way down.
Because you can see it's like stuck on there. There's
Yeah.
one up there, so it can't pull the way up.
Yeah.
And the reason why we have one up here and we don't just like stop our motors is because we're actually gonna have, so we're gonna have the string going from here, from back there where the motors are, up the side, down here, and it's gonna touch to the bottom here. So when it goes, it's gonna lift it up. And the reason why, like, we're also gonna put like pulleys and stuff, so it actually is smooth. It's not like complete friction. But we're also gonna have that string go back up through here, and then down to where our claw is. So this will go up first.
With that,
Full pulley system.
Duct tape, get the innovator award.
Huh?
Get duct tape, get the innovator award.
Exactly.
what if I just duct tape around just to make it
That's
look like it's
literally
hella
how
strong?
it's like duct tape,
It's actually
cardboard, and
good.
zip ties.
We
Linear
innovated.
slide.
Dan is not impressed. Okay, fair enough. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna like finalize this design, go working on CAD, and do parts. I think that's
Yeah.
good. Hi, welcome back everyone. So we have decided, we lubricated it with some Arizona Rubik's Cube lubricant. So now they're good, they're nice and free falling. Undefined has joined us, they're just chilling over there. But Alex and I have decided to mount these U-channels on. This is the housing that will eventually store the pulley system and the motors. We're gonna have to move this switch so that we can put the motor right there. But once we do, it's gonna be okie dokie. So we're gonna try to mount this right now. We have about a few minutes left. But yeah, he's also doing CAD, and we're just chilling.
I did it.
Go, Alex. Actually, go to.
That's one thing down.
You unplugged the.
Yeah, no, I didn't.
Of course there is.
Then I think everything else we can pack up, but we're gonna put this U-channel on. Hello. Alright, camera. This is the end of episode 1 of season 2. Thank you for joining us. Oh, my finger was in the camera the whole time. We're professionals. We're gonna attach the other channel. As you can see, we attached this channel, which can house the motor and pulley systems. We're gonna mirror it on this side, but we're running out of footage space, so goodbye. See ya. This has been Nightmares.